Hello, everyone. I'm Saleha, and this is Friday Night Adda on the Rocks. And joining me tonight on my Adda is Sharmita Gupta, better known as Rintu to all her friends from Melbourne, and Sudeshna all the way from New Zealand. So Sudeshna and I used to be neighbors in Delhi. We lived opposite each other, and Rintu is my first friend in Melbourne. So I thought, we are going to continue with the Pujo Adda. So let's just have two of my oldest friends. So hello, ladies.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
So পুজো তো শেষ হয়ে গেল, but what a different pujo. I mean, Rintu, you and I are part of this Bari pujo, which has been what now would have
10 years.
celebrated 10 years, and
Yeah.
then this year is just so different.
Very
Rintu,
different. So different. It's absolutely like unthinkable. But I feel that some celebrations did happen, which is a good thing. Initially, we thought nothing would happen. But then, whatever could be done virtually was done. Be it community pujas, be it the pujo at Ghoroa pujo that we take part in, you and me, Saleha. So at least there was something, and I'm thankful for that. Really, in this pandemic situation, we have to be thankful for anything that we get.
absolutely,
Really.
absolutely. And Rintu, I mean, being Probashi Bangalis, all of us, community plays a big role, তাই নয় কি? আমাদের জন্য তো পুজো is something that we all look forward to. আড্ডা মারবো, শাড়ি পরবো, খাবো, রান্না করবো. Um,
Absolutely. Because all the year round we are like busy with our jobs, and we are running like from morning till evening. We are sort of so busy with our in our jobs and everything. So this is a time we look forward to. We really look forward to this time when we can take out our saris and show off sort of. So so it is a huge, like it is a community event when we get together with friends. We have community lunches, dinners, cultural programs, whatnot, and of course the PNPC that goes,
of
with
course,
all the
আমরা
art.
বাঙালি, how can we not do PNPC?
So it's all of it. It's like a package. The religious aspect is there, but the social aspect is huge.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
তোমার
Uh,
ওখানেও নিশ্চয়ই হয় না, সুদেশনা?
Basically, like in Kolkata or anywhere in India, I think we all Probashis have the same thing. Durga Puja showcases not only our lovely dresses, our religious fervor, also our cultural side, our social side, and as Rintu said, the addas and also PNPC. Yes, and food.
Food.
Can't
Food.
forget that.
No,
Yes.
and I remember Rintu used to be she was the president of the Bengali Association of Victoria a
I
few years ago. And ever since I have moved to Melbourne, I know Rintu has been a big part of the BAV in Melbourne. And I remember receiving calls, ফল কেটে দাও, এই বানিয়ে দাও, ওই বানিয়ে দাও, Rintu.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that was a huge. I would say that that was a learning experience for me. When they said be the president, I sort of thought, okay, why not? Let's see what it is like. And yeah, I became the president. And once I got into the role, I saw that there was hardly any money. So we had to sort of think about how to raise money for Durga Puja because it's such a huge event, and it was really a learning curve for me when I was part of BAV but not in an official role. I sometimes would think, why are they, why is the subscription so high, or why can't they just give free food to
$20. Yes, yes.
free food to everyone, or things like that. But once I became part of it in that official role as president, I realized it was such a huge sort of what should I say? It was like, it involved huge expenses, for because in Probashi culture, we do not. we do not do Bisharjan of Thakur. So we normally keep the murti, keep the murti, and we keep it in storage. The storage charges huge amount of money for, as a annual
For
fee.
12 months, yes. Yes.
12 months. It's a huge amount of money, and then everything that's required for Durga Puja is kept with the DT, with the murti. So we need quite a bit of space. Like we need a big storage area, storage room, sort of thing. And then to transport Ma Durga from the storage to the venue. And then when we had to hire a venue, we had to look at a venue which could accommodate about, 2,000 people would be coming in through the doors, like over the 2 days. So we had to look at a venue large enough to accommodate so many people. And that venue, cost us through the nose. So it
Yes.
was like, when we added all that up, we thought, oh my God, it's like, if we don't get sponsors, it's hard to, and we can't just raise subscription like that, members are going to complain. So yes, it was a learning curve for me. It was, I learned a lot from that experience.
Yes.
Um, so yeah, but I enjoyed my role as a president of Bengali Association, especially with the two Durga Pujas I was involved in, because the one thing that I loved most was on both times, on both the days, the microphone was given to me from I had this wireless microphone in my hand, and I would be saying Sharadiya Shubhecha, Anjali Shuru Hocche, all these sort of things like Hocche, Apnara Shabai Chole Jaan, and I loved doing it. So I would offer it to someone like, you can do it, but then they would say, no, Rintu, you do it. And I would just do it. So that was one part I loved. But yeah, otherwise, on Friday we would be setting up the whole
Yes, I
venue.
know. Yes,
Yeah.
I've been part of that. Yes.
So getting the DT from storage to the venue, and then everyone who could come, who would be coming after work, and there would be groups of people doing different sorts of jobs. Like some would be involved in getting the pujo, maybe the utensils, the pujo bashon ready, washing the fruits, just getting everything ready, and
I remember putting blue tack everywhere. So that was my job. Back,
yeah.
the backdrop, I was putting blue tack because Raja, I think, was putting up his artwork.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
Raja's
yes, yes.
yeah, has been involved in the decorations, because
So
here
yes,
we have to do the decorations ourselves. We can't
of
get
course, yes.
decorated as people in Kolkata would be able to. So, and we do it as best as possible. We get a artistic person from the community to sort of
Which is your son?
yeah, it used to be my son, not any longer. We get some artistic people to design, and that takes a long time. Like
Yes,
to
I remember.
months before, we sort of we request someone to design the backdrop, what's going to happen, what's the theme going to be, and as best as we can. Of course, it can't be like Kolkata theme, where Kolkata becomes like an art gallery. We can't do that here, but as much as we can, we try to decorate, and we try to have new concepts every year in the decoration. And I have lived in Auckland, and I know that in Auckland as well, you guys do that on Friday, don't you, Shudeshna?
Yes, yes. We do it depending on when the venue is made available to us. So
Yes.
this time, like it was on Thursday that the venue was made available.
And you had face-to-face pujo this time, didn't you?
Yes,
Wow, so
we
unlike
had,
us.
but it was on a small scale. This time, our pujo was on a very small scale. It was restricted to members only, and that too, not all members turned up. Many of them were frightened of mixing in
Yes,
a big
obviously.
group.
Yeah, which is
And we made it a point that the Protima was placed on a stage, and very few people had access to that place because that is what our priest
Yes,
uh,
fair enough. Yes,
said.
these
He
are
didn't
unusual
like
circumstances.
too much of a crowd there. Yes, all those who were giving Anjali or came to see the Protima and all that, they had to do it from below the stage. And yes, That was one of the restrictions that we had to follow. But otherwise, we did cook food this time. It
You
was on,
cook food. Did you
pardon?
cook food? Did you cook food?
And not, I mean, for the community, there are the men who cook food usually
Oh,
for
okay.
5 meals, Friday evening to Sunday evening. 5 meals.
Which is different to Melbourne, isn't it, Rintu?
It
The
is. It
women
is.
cook, huh? So
But
তোমাদের
But this
ওখানে
time
the
there
men
was no
cook.
cooked food.
Okay, this
It
time.
was
But
only
normally
lunch.
what happens? Normally what happens?
Normally, food is cooked. Sorry. Normally, food is cooked in the premises, in the venue, and the men are mostly involved in it. It's only on Friday that we have a Luchi session, and ladies come in plenty, and it's a real enjoyable time with
So how many
everybody
people for
around.
this Luchi session? That's most important.
Everybody puts in a hand. They need the dough from home, bring it there, and then at least at a time there are 20-25 people rolling out luchis, and the men or someone will be doing the frying
Yeah.
and served hot luchis to the crowd.
Talking
But
about
this time there wasn't any such thing. Only lunch was served in boxes. And yes, but the bhog was there. We who usually do the bhog were doing it, but on a very, very, very small scale, because the bhog was not supposed to go out to the community. It was in case anybody had any problems.
Yes.
So it was restricted to those who were cooking it. So
So
it was a
talking about
very
this.
reduced scale puja,
Okay,
but had
but
all the
something. Still, you had something face to face.
yes. So
yes.
talking about Luchis,
Talking about luchis, in our pujas, in Melbourne pujas, before we used to give as prasad, we used to give luchi, naru, and shandesh. So
and
Acha.
Shujir Halwa.
yeah, shujir halwa. Now shujir halwa used to be outsourced from ISKCON, and it still
Okay.
is. So
Okay.
ISKCON sends shujir halwa, which is like delicious. It's like
I
full
know
of.
it is, yes.
It's just drips with ghee, and it's
I
fantastic.
know.
But the luchi, naru, and shandesh used to be made by community members.
Okay.
So I remember on one
And
occasion,
Rintu, before I forget, you have to give me Naru recipe because Sammy wants Naru and my Narus are not coming out properly.
I'll definitely made narus this Durga Puja. I made about 50 narus.
Oh,
So
তোমাকে বলা উচিত ছিল oh I need Naru recipe.
so I remember one Durga Puja. I was stood there and we made about like a few the ladies. We made about 1,200 luchis.
Oh my God.
Such huge project, I can't tell you. Like 1,200 luchis. And then at the end of the day, everyone got one luchi because there were about 1,200 people that time. Okay. So we thought, my goodness, what a huge project. And after that, everyone gets one measly luchi. So from the next year, it was decided that no, luchis are just too much to,
Okay.
Yes.
because really everybody getting just one luchi is just
No, maybe because our crowd is not so much, so
yes,
many.
that. So the
So
luchi idea got dropped. Even the
yeah,
shandesh dropped because it was too much to make, so many shandesh.
1200 Shandesh. My God.
Narus, at least, when you make, you can make like 40 to 50 narus. You can make
yeah,
much
yeah.
more easily than shandesh or luchi.
Rintu, I'm struggling to make 5 Narus for Sammy. আমি যতবার বানাচ্ছি it is like
I'll tell you, it's not hard, really. So these days in Melbourne Durga Puja, we have halwa from ISKCON, which is like delectable,
yes.
and we do a Naru drive just before the Durga Puja.
Okay.
So all members of the community, the ladies are asked to make some Narus, and they're really cooperative as as
Yes,
we've
I
seen.
know that. Yes.
Yeah, if you ask someone, can you make 50? Someone will say, oh no, I'll make 100. Or someone will come and say, oh, I've made 150 actually. So, so,
Sorry.
so there's Naru for Saturday to Sunday.
Yeah.
Every push there is Naru nowadays. So that's really good. Like, and there's someone who keeps an account of how many narus are coming in. So, okay, 800, we've reached 1000, we've reached 1500. So there's a naru drive that goes on in the community just before the Durga Puja, which I
I'm
find is really nice.
Rintu, I'm sure by next Durga Puja, the borders will be open. Can
Yeah.
you send some of those ladies to our
Yeah.
I am not putting up my hand for this, Sudeshna, because Naru is. I can make payas. I can make payas. Very good payas.
Uh-huh.
And I can make very good kebabs. And Rintu will agree to that.
Of course. Oh my God. Your kebabs are just
Parish
too.
has become my forte now because every year and for every pujo, I'm making paesh for the
Oh,
bhog.
all
And
right.
that too, I make it in huge quantities because there are too many takers.
Yeah.
If someone doesn't get it, they will come and complain. Oh, either they served too little to me or they didn't give me or something or the other. So this year I had also taken a ladle so that they can give them in big quantities, not tiny bits.
Serving spoon.
So
So,
yeah, no, the servings. What they usually do is they don't find serving spoons, so they use tablespoons or teaspoons.
Oh,
And
oh,
some people say, "Oh, proshad konika matro." So that konika matro is not accepted by
no.
most people.
can
They
I
I
want
tell
the
you,
spoon.
Prasad in any form, Mishti. So we
Mm,
didn't have the Barir Pujo this time.
yeah.
And Rintu, as she said, both of us
Mm,
are part of this. So Shekhar, at whose house we have this Pujo, Shekhar and Shampa. Shekhar came and dropped Mishti. And I
yeah.
have a box of bonde.
Go there. That's right. Even I
And
have it. I
oh
had
my God, Pratyek Deen I'm having like 2 spoons.
I
Thankfully, Param doesn't like bonde.
the
So
Oh,
I
bun.
that's
don't
great.
have to share it.
Yeah. This
Bonde, Labonga Lotika, and
mm,
what is the other mishti that
rice kochuri and aloo dum,
kochuri, aludom,
vegetable chop and balushai,
sinara, ha,
balushai.
balushai.
My goodness,
So,
so many things distributed to
I
each and
yes,
everyone.
so today
na
I've
na,
had
khali.
balushai.
I think Jara Amra part of the Barir Pujo. I think
Okay.
Shekhar came and distributed because we are not supposed to go to anybody's house. So I met Shekhar at the gate and it felt so terrible not being able to
I know.
invite him.
Yeah. So
And it's
Bengal
all about food.
also did a similar thing. Bengali Association of Victoria this time. That was also a huge gesture. They sent all their members a box of sweets from a very well-known sweet shop in Melbourne called Sweet India. They have excellent sweets. So assorted a box of assorted sweets. Suddenly there was a knock on the door on Saturday afternoon on Shoptomi Day, and there was this person standing with a box of sweets written Bengali Association
Oh,
gives
nice.
Timok, and
Very
so that
good
was a
gesture.
so I've got like Naru, I've got the sweets from Shekhar, and I've got that box of sweets as well. So
আচ্ছা আমি
imagine,
নাড়ু নিয়ে যাচ্ছি তোমার বাড়ি থেকে after
ha,
this. So, what kind of food do you have, Sudeshna, in Auckland for Pujo days?
For our pujo days, except Friday when we have luchi and sorry, some sort of aloo torkari and maybe chutney and a mishti. But other days we have pulao or khichdi or yeah, two. I think one day we have khichdi, one day pulao, one and something or the other. I mean, or one day it's bhat, dal. It's all vegetarian. Earlier we used to have a pujo in um, school auditoriums where we could cook non-veg also. So Sunday after our pratima was packed, that is our Bishorjan, packed in the box, we had a dinner of mangsho bhat.
See, I
But
have never had non-veg during Pujo. I think 5 days of Pujo, 4 days at the pandal and at home. আমরা
yeah,
কিন্তু we have only had vegetarian food. কোনো দিনও না. I mean, it could be that because Didima was Vidhova, we never had non-veg. during the pujo days, but Didima didn't mind us having non-veg other days. Our pandale, it is always vegetarian. Bhokto is always vegetarian. I
But
mean,
didn't you eat egg rolls? Didn't you eat egg rolls when you were young?
আসানসোলে egg rolls কোথায় ছিল?
Tathik, when we were very young, there were no egg rolls. Egg rolls came in at a certain time. It became very popular. I remember
হ্যাঁ,
still.
আসানসোলে অত ছিল না। হ্যাঁ,
Carts, snack bar
হ্যাঁ,
carts came in
হ্যাঁ।
one Durga Puja, I remember, and egg rolls became quite popular. True, true, true.
না, আমাদের তো পাড়ায় পুজো ছিল, but we were never part of the পাড়ার pujo. When we were small, we were too young to participate. যখন
Yeah.
we grew up, we were not really part of the parar pujo, although the pujo was always held across the road from us. It's only after I've come to Melbourne that the community pujo, it's like when you're out of your country, it is so much more engaging, and you mix with people, you get to know people. Oi phol katchi, mishti banacchi. I don't make mishti, but phol ketechi. And I remember somebody called me up and said, "Ei baniye dao, oi baniye dao." And this is fantastic. And at the Bari Puja, all of us make lunch, each one of us, Rintu. And it is so nice. Delhi te, Sudeshna,
You
I
were
have
not
never
involved.
felt. No, I mean, Chittaranjan Park was so informal. It was so formal. You just went in the evening.
Like pandal hopping, in Kolkata, you go and go to different pandals and have a look at different artistic things that they put up, or they make murti out of something or the other, or
Yes.
something. So it's more on in that line. It's not
Yes.
like homely.
No.
To come out of come out, and that has a different charm. I'm not saying that.
Absolutely. Yes.
That's a different charm altogether. The ambience of the whole city changes.
Ha.
Here, obviously, we form our own sort of nook, and we get into there, and then that's the Durga Puja ambience over there.
Yeah.
No, our Durga Puja is perfect. I mean, 5 days, 5 dinhi to. We start from what? Panchami, when we start setting up.
Yeah.
And all of us are part of that.
But, we should
All of
that,
us.
our friends.
And then Khabar, and then Shari, you cannot repeat the Shari in the evening. Shakale jeta porecho, you cannot repeat that. I have 10 Sharis behind me in this cupboard, all notun, including the one that I'm wearing now. This is what my brother gave me, and I haven't had a chance to wear it. So
Same. I went to India last year, just during Durga Puja. Last year, Durga Puja, I was in Kolkata. So I did so much shopping, and I bought so many saris. They're all in a suitcase, in a box, just kept away. I don't even remember what I bought.
Same with me. I've got a lot of saris, about 10 or 11 of them, but it was only 2 days, and I didn't go out in the nights this time. It was only 2 days. So 2 saris were used.
Right.
The rest are still lying there.
This is so not fair.
Couldn't do
It
that.
pinches you a little. So many saris, you can't wear them.
After talking about sharis and khabar, I want to know what the menu is in Auckland. Tumi bolle to Friday is luchi, then you have vegetarian, and then you have mangsho.
Not any longer. Mangsho is now not a possibility, because we have our pujo in a Jain trust hall where we can't cook mangsho. So we have our Bijaya Dashami, like this time it's on 7th November, when we'll have a small cultural program, and then we'll have March and mangsho, or Chingri March and mangsho, or something. But mangsho will be there.
Chingri March.
Something will be there.
Like the
to
borrow
go with mangsho.
Okay. Now, here we always had vegetarian food before, but I think a couple of years before I became the president, they took a decision of having Ashtami on Sunday, having a lunch of meat. One of the reasons I can say is because there were other pujas happening before. It used to be only one puja, but now there are several pujas, about 8 to 10 pujas happening in Melbourne, and one of the pujas offered to serve lamb curry.
আর
So-
বাঙালি লোক মাংস
Huh?
ছাড়া কি হবে?
There was that fear that everyone will go to that puja.
That is what happened to us. What happened to us?
It was one of the, one of the points, for which Bengali Association decided, let's do lamb curry rice. But it was like shock, shock, shock. Like everyone was going, how can you have mangsho in during Ashtami? Because normally Ashtami Navami puja is done on Sunday, and how in the same venue Durga Puja is happening. How can you serve a lamb curry? That's impossible. You can't do that. But then, we sort of decided, nah, we will go with it and see. Maybe there will be people, not eating lamb curry. They'll be going for, obviously, there will be vegetarian options. But when I was the president, I found that in the vegetarian line, there would be like hardly 10 people, and they would be looking at the line. For some reason, they had to eat vegetarian.
Mostly the senior people.
Yeah, mostly some senior people. I wouldn't
Yeah.
say all. Some senior people, sometimes some people who observe lots of rituals during Durga Puja.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe not even from Kolkata, what we say non-Bengali. Some non-Bengali
Bangali.
population, some, some do not eat meat at all during Durga Puja. But
Navratri.
lamb curry rice counter, there would be a long queue, there would be a long
2000টা লোক।
অনেক লোক, and there would be complaints like আমি মাংসের ঝোল আলু পেলাম, বেশি মাংস পাইনি।
Our numbers are into nothing compared to yours. Our numbers are nothing compared to yours, but still, as long as we had mangsho on Doshomi, we had about 450 to 500 heads to cater for. But the year we dropped mangsho, it dwindled to 200.
Of course.
It's a lot about us Bengalis loving our non-veg food, mangsho chara.
Exactly.
We can't think of food.
Okay.
Like
We have
Niramish.
2 more minutes. We have 2 more minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So
Well,
Thank you.
Saleha,
Thank
well,
you.
this time it's all been virtual, and meeting you also virtually,
Yes, I haven't seen you since when? Like, you live
it's-
2 suburbs away from me, and I haven't seen you in months, which has never happened. But
So this year,
Thank you, Saleha, for having us
yeah,
in this
and
show.
Shubha
And after a long time, I spoke to you and Rintu.
yes, that's
It was
right.
a good.
Shubha Vijaya to both of you.
Thank you,
Thank
and
you.
same to you.
Shubha Vijaya, yes.
And
I
we will
hope,
meet.
yes, I'm sure we will.
I
I
hope
hope you guys, yes, sorry. I hope
And
you
send
guys,
us the Naru recipes, please.
yes, please, Naru recipe, most
Right.
important for my
Yeah, most
daughter. Yes, yes,
I will.
most
Thank
important.
you. Thank you.
Okay, and happy Lokhi
Okay.
Puja, which is on.
And yes, Lokhi Pujo.
Oh, Lokhi Puja is around the corner.
Yes.
Yeah. Have a good look, Lokhi Puja.
আমি তো বাড়িতে লক্ষ্মী পুজো করি, so yes, I will. Yes.
Okay. We are not having it a community puja this time.
No,
Okay.
I don't go out for Lokhi Puja because আমার Didima has this Lokhi and Narayan Thakur, which is like about 253 years old. It has been in her family for years and years. And
Okay.
it is, and একটা লক্ষ্মীর পা আছে. So
Acha.
I do my own pujo. My mother, I don't remember. Ma used to do it, but Didima used to do Lokhi pujo, and now I do it.
Okay.
So I have carried that from me because it has been in the family. I don't know what will happen when I'm not there. I can't see my girls doing it.
My mother is very happy this time because every time I just do a very nominal thing for Bari Lokhi Puja and I go for the community puja. But this time there's no community puja, so I'll be dedicated to the home puja totally. My mom is very happy.
Great.
So
Okay.
have a Lokhi Puja.
Okay then.
Stay safe, take care, and again.
Thank you. Same to you.
And Shubha Vijaya, and I hope you guys enjoyed our chat about Probashi Bangali Durga Puja. Let us know how you celebrate your pujas, not how you celebrated it this year, because we've all been indoors, unless you guys have been doing pandal hopping. But otherwise, would love to hear from you. I'm sure Sudeshna and Rintu and I would love to know how you celebrated your pujas.
Absolutely.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Stay safe and see you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.